did you know that Bollywood diva Kareena Kapoor Khan is a huge fan of pizza? Yes, you heard that right. While she's all about healthy eating, when it's cheat day, it's all about that cheesy slice. So today we're making something even Kareena might crave on a cozy movie night. A homemade cheesy veg pizza that oozes with flavor and of course tons of cheese. Let's get into it. So we're making this pizza from scratch. For this, firstly mix the yeast with water and sugar and let it rest for 5 minutes. Now take the flour and salt on your workstation. Now take the flour and salt on your work surface. Mix and make a well in the center. Now add the yeast mixture and water. Knead to a smooth and soft dough for 10 minutes. The next step is to add some oil and knead for another 5 minutes. Well, now you have to rest the dough covered in a bowl for an hour. After that, knock back the dough and take a small portion of the dough. Now roll it into a thick roti and dot with a fork. Place the roti on a hot tawa and cook on low heat for 2 minutes on each side. Once cooked, remove and let it cool. Now take the rest of the dough and roll it into a big circle. Add the cheese sauce and spread well. Now place the prepared roti on top and press the side to form a thick edge. Next, apply sauce, cheese and the vegetable toppings of your choice. Now bake this at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 18 minutes till the sides and base is golden. Now cut it into slices and serve. And there you have it, your very own cheesy veg pizza inspired by Kareena Kapoor's all-time favorite.